Okay, we have a video on this already regarding making sand-filled planters, so you need to watch that. I'm just going to make this planter to show you something different, and that is how we add a ring of ceramic cement tiles around the outside edge. So watch the video on how to make sand-filled planters. It's a really good video. So we filled the planter up to the height where the cement tiles go. We keep these quite muted because it looks really good when they're muted. So this is basically a silicone mold that makes these cement tiles. And the nice thing is when it's cement, everything sticks to it. Cement sticks to cement really well. These could be ceramic tiles as well, you know, or even ceramic bits or cutoffs. So what I do is I want to get this level. This has been leveled on the table. So I come around, and by doing this, I get it perfectly level. Okay, what I like to do is have this skin nice and clean where the tiles are going to go. Just wipe it off. Okay, so here's a little bit of a trick. These ceramic cement tiles have a measurement, and the measurement is this way. So my objective is to get all the way around without cutting one. So I can do that by picking where I'm going to place them, because this diameter keeps getting bigger. So if I pick the right spot, I don't have to cut any of these. So here it goes. So we're going to start installing these. So they go right against the... Ven más cerca, Dario, de ese lado. So these guys are going right against the planter, and I get a visual lineup of them. And you pick two colors that are different from each other, and I can use the top of the planter to make my level line. Get it perfect. I'm pushing them into a little bit of wet cement so they stay. Okay, faltan tres, no?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm a little bit off. So what I'm going to do is just open these up ever so slightly so it disappears. This guy's a bit low. Make sure none of them are low. Okay, so it worked out perfectly. We spaced them out. Okay, so what I do now is I start first at the bottom, and I do this. I work the two materials, the two cements together. There is an argument of wetting the cement tiles first, but I find that it sticks better if they're not wet, if your cement is wet enough. A lot of people will probably soak the ceramics for a day or a time period. You can see if they make contact. You can actually see the two cement surfaces making contact. So again, make sure you watch the video with the how to make these sand-filled planters. And then this is just a complement to show you how to add these cement details. Okay, so this is the next day. And so we have a different colored cement top on top of here. It just looks nicer. You have the darker gray and the lighter gray on top. Here's the tiles, how they show up. So all I do is I take a piece of stick or a trowel or whatever you want to do, and you just come back and clean it up. And then these spaces will get either cement or grout to make them look good. So you just basically come back. Try to do this the second day, the next day when it comes out, because it's going to be a lot easier to do. So any overspill, you just remove it with a piece of wood. You can dig this grout line out a bit. And you just go around doing that. Try to get this ring to look really nice. Not too hard to do. So that's what it looks like if you went all the way around. What happens is this cement that's overspilled is actually on top of the ceramic of the cement tile. And so it's really easy to get the right dimension off, because where the tile stops, that's where the cement doesn't come off anymore. And that's how you add cement details to our sand-filled method. Wash it nicely afterwards, grout it, and you've got a really expensive looking planter.